Welcome back to the Derelict Workshop renovation series. In the last episode, I renovated an old bench and rusty record vise. In this episode, I'll restore a vintage British pillar drill, removing rust, greasing all the moving parts, replacing broken parts, and protecting any bare steel with a homemade beeswax paste.
This pillar drill was made by a company called Startright many decades ago in a place not far from here in Kent. It is just super solid and a lovely bit of kit. However, it's rather rusty, poorly lubricated, and it needs some new electrical componentry and wiring.
Just as this beautiful old machine will work better after some TLC, the same goes for relationships. For me, a session in the workshop or in the wild can often help process thoughts and feelings, but occasionally it is not enough to fix the big squeaks and rattles. Sometimes a therapist and a toolbox of methods can help support us through hard times. That's where BetterHelp, my paid partner for this episode, comes in. They will connect you to a therapist who can help. Get matched with a therapist after completing a quick questionnaire. You can switch therapists at any time if they're not the right fit. All therapists on the platform are well qualified, and the customer support team is there to help answer any questions. Getting help from someone with the right tools and experience is a strength and can save the frustration of trying to work through it alone. Click the link in the description or go to betterhelp.com/Ben Kilner and get 10% off your first month of therapy.
Success. Another 13 amp fuse from the original plug for this, so it stood up to it before. There we go, we're in business. Working like a dream. I'm going to apply Bee Buff, which is made from beeswax and boiled linseed oil, and it will go on all exposed steel components to stop it rusting in the future. And as the linseed oil evaporates and cures, it will create a really nice protective layer.
In the next episode, I will restore a vintage British-made bandsaw from the 1950s and get it ready for future projects.